Students can turn to some of their classmates at Clovis Unified for a safe space. Action News anchor Jessica Harrington explains the district's peer counseling program and shows us the special summit held today.
Maybe choosing to give a little bit more in some area of our lives too.
Hundreds of Clovis Unified students gathered at the Clovis Veterans Memorial Building Monday.
What are some things we need to do?
The third annual Peer Counseling Summit was organized by Derek Davis, the district peer counseling and Clovis support and intervention coordinator. It included students from every junior high and high school in the district.
They want to counsel and help other students. They have a heart to care for other people.
Davis says peer counseling is a college prep class and students must apply to get in. The goal is for students to offer support services to peers and, most importantly, be there to listen to a classmate in need without judgment.
It's just a safe place for them to share their thoughts, feelings, and concerns, and for the peer counselor to help guide them through whatever they're going on.
I'm able to listen to them.
One of those peer counselors is Sukhman Sidhu, a senior at Clovis East. He was recognized Monday for being one of the few students who have been in the program for 4 or more years. Conversation with classmates are confidential unless it includes harm to self or others. Sidhu says he's worked with a variety of students in need, from those struggling in school to another student who just needed a friend.
Sometimes students want to talk to us because they need someone our age and just have someone there who they can rely on, because some kids don't trust adults on campus.
The summit included group work, and students heard from a motivational speaker, Kevin Zawala, who's known as Mr. Peace. He highlighted worthiness, self-love, and spreading it to others.
And all of us have that same power to be that light to someone's heart if we choose to.
Students like Sidhu plan to take what they learn and apply it as they support their peers through everyday challenges.
I'm at least hopeful that that person who I'm talking to at least gets the help they need, and at least their situation gets a little bit better.
Peer counseling extends beyond just supporting their classmates. These students also regularly create awareness events around important topics like mental health, suicide prevention, and drug prevention. In Clovis, Jessica Harrington, ABC 30 Action News.